This Copper Creek Colonial door knob is beautifully designed, featuring a sleek black, smudge-resistant metal finish. Installation is quick and easy with a screwdriver. Adjustable 4-way deadbolt latch allows set to fit all standard door sizes. Screws are concealed. High-quality one-plated nickel bolts exceed ANSI Grade-3 Security Standards, while the interior turn piece of the deadbolt meets the Americans with Disabilities requirements. Key-to-like combo pack includes 4 identical keys for the knob set. Deadbolt's cylinder guard cover is constructed of solid brass, stronger than typically used pot metal.